Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do Airfield blue card puzzle in Rust. So it is pretty simple, just have two fuses if you're solo or one if you're with friend, but to my mind you need two fuses. So go to the main building right here in the airfield, as you can see, and then go right here through these doors and go straight to the right, as you can see. Then go right here and open and add a fuse, and then activate this switch. Now we can go outside right here. You need to run right here until you find this electrical thing. So go through these doors and go right here into the tunnel. Be careful here to not take damage. Right here you need a flashlight to see. So let's go right here and swipe our green keycard. Be careful, there will be some scientists. You need to see everywhere, so make sure to take a flashlight. Here will be some scientists. Make sure to loot right here. For now, I don't have any crates right here, but you'll have some. After that, go right here to Armory. As I said, there will be some crates. After that, if you go right here, you'll find our fuse box. Just put the fuse. You don't need to activate anything and just swipe your blue keycard. So that's pretty much it. Be careful of scientists because in this room there will be one or two scientists, and right here you'll find your red keycard. And there will be a lot of military crates. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment down below, and see you in the next one.